everyone, I'm Jay Sennett. Welcome to another edition of Cooking with Jay here in the Jazz Kitchen. The Jazz Kitchen. You see all my spices over here. My spices, look at those spices. Oh, there's so many spices. Oh, I'll leave it up so you can see that. Hope all of you are doing well. On today's edition of Cooking with Jay, I'm going to make you an interesting, delicious, but unusual dish. A turmeric caramel pork loin. Okay? Now, down here, you can see I just sliced up some pork loin, took most of the fat off of it, okay? And sliced up the pork loin, this beautiful pork loin, about not quite a half an inch thick, a little less than a half an inch thick. And then we're going to make a turmeric caramel sauce to go over this pork loin, these pork loin slices, over a bed of sage, garlic pepper rice. Oh yeah. So you ready to see how I make this dish? Let's go over here to the stove and I'll put it together for you. Come on over here. All right, so we'll get my saucepan, it'll heat it up there. In here, in this saucepan, what we're going to add not quite a half a cup of brown sugar. All right, turn this on. That low heat. About 3 tablespoons of low sodium soy sauce. Okay. We have about 2 tablespoons of lime juice, and I'm not sure if that's going to be enough actually. And we have about a tablespoon of this delicious turmeric. And turmeric, in addition, I mean, there are so many benefits of turmeric. For joint pain, you know, a lot of people who suffer from joint pain, bones, turmeric is supposed to be good. In some parts of the world, they use it as a beauty treatment for skin disorders like acne, stuff like that. It's an antioxidant. It's just really, really good for you. And again, for your dishes, for your food. Turmeric is delicious. It tastes wonderful. And what I'm going to do with this sugar is create this caramel, this turmeric caramel. And let this simmer just for a little while. And it'll start to thicken up a bit. Now, I have some olive oil in this saucepan. Okay. Put my pork loin pieces in here. I seasoned the pork loin with some garlic infused black pepper, which is delicious. Okay, and some salt. Okay. And it's okay to touch your food, you know, particularly if you're the only one eating. I like touching my food sometimes, you know. Oh yeah, set this over here. And in this pot, which is already done, I have this beautiful sage, garlic pepper rice. Let me taste this. Okay. Yep. Keep your caramel on low heat. Okay. And I didn't put any butter in here. Okay. No butter in here. Just the sugar and the rice is delicious. Delicious. All right. It creates a nice brown color, rich brown color. I don't know if you can see this. It's going to be delicious. Leave that in there for me. Now, okay, so again in here, about a half a cup of brown sugar, light brown sugar, about a tablespoon of turmeric, about 3 tablespoons of low sodium soy sauce, and some lime juice. Okay, and my sage, garlic, pepper, rice. Flip. Oh yeah, beautiful color there. You just cook for just a few minutes, a couple of minutes on each side because they're thin. All right, spread out there. All right. Now, for my caramel sauce again, low heat. It'll start to bubble up a little bit. And what I want to do with that, I want to taste. Oh, it's delicious, but it's hard for me to explain what this tastes like. Unless you're really familiar with turmeric, this is not. You might not get this, but I would say try it. If you're not familiar with turmeric, it's certainly worth you making that effort. Buy it, create this little bit of turmeric caramel sauce to go over. You can use it for fish, particularly white fish. For chicken, I'm going to use it tonight. For pork, over this bed of sage, garlic, pepper, rice. Okay, just a little bit longer on these pieces here. Yeah, not long because they're thin. They're thinly sliced. Okay. So that massage, you can see that bubbling up there a little bit. It's just about ready. My sauce is ready. Okay. Turn that heat off over there. My turmeric caramel sauce is ready. My pork loin pieces are ready. You get the plate. Get these plates out of the way. These dishes out of the way. Get the plate. Okay. Da da da. This rice. My sage, garlic, black pepper, rice, which is delicious on its own. Okay. But we're putting some very interesting clothes on it tonight, if you will. Okay. Yes. Get nicely rounded. Clean hands, touching my food. All right. Okay. Turn my pork off. Oh, yeah. Just another 2 seconds. On the flip side. Yeah, but I think we're good there. Okay. All right. Okay, we're waiting. Yes. The pork says, we are ready. Little bit of mess over here. All right, so what we're going to do, get a spoon. I can spoon this. Rinse this off. Now, some of my turmeric caramel sauce over this pork loin. You can put some over the rice as well. there. Fire's off. Add a little bit of garnish of here. As my man would say, bam! 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 Oh, where is it? Oh! Ladies and gentlemen, right there. My turmeric caramel pork loin with the sage, black pepper, garlic black pepper, rice. Do you see how quickly I put that together? It's an easy dish to put together, but it's creative, and you can also add, you know, a little lime on the side, like so, for a little bit extra garnish. That's what's happening on today's edition of Cooking with Jay, my turmeric caramel pork loin. And again, you can use that sauce with fish, chicken. I'm using it for pork tonight. And you can use it with rice, potatoes, or just some vegetables. It works. Cooking with Jay, Sunday night, starting at 6 on the WHRO Public Media Facebook page. Thank you all for watching. Thanks to those of you, who are responding, asking me questions about the food. Thank you. If you want to email me, you can email me to j.sennett, jae.sinnett, @whrv.org. Would love to answer your questions. Thank you for listening to my Senate in Session Jazz Show and the Army Chronicles, both heard on 89.5 WHRV FM. Jazz Monday through Thursday nights from 9 until 1, Saturday mornings 1 until 5, Sunday afternoons from 1 until 5, and the Army Chronicles Friday nights, great soul music from 7 until 8. And thank you all for watching. I'm going to go eat my dinner. It smells wonderful too. Oh, it smells so good. Be safe, friends, as always. We'll see you again soon with another edition of Cooking with Jay. Take care.